Anger management. Anger is a punishment we give to ourselves for somebody else's mistake. Anger is a short madness. Control your anger. Control yourself. Try to manage your anger since people can't manage their stupidity. Anger is an acid that can do more harm to the vessel in which it is stored than to anything on which it is poured. Anger does not solve anything, it builds nothing, but it can destroy everything. Where there is anger, there is always pain underneath. Anger is a boomerang. If you put it on someone else, it will come back to you automatically. Anger is your biggest enemy. Control it. Otherwise, it starts controlling you and gives you nothing. Anger dwells only in the bosom of fools. Speak when you are angry, and you will make the best speech you will ever regret. Keep silence and have patience with persistence. Don't promise when you are happy. Do not reply when you are angry. And do not decide when you are sad. Angry people are not always wise. It is a lot easier to be angry at someone than it is to tell them you are hurt.